ever wondered why some buyers and sellers seem to make all the right moves in the real estate market while everyone else is left wondering what just happened? Stay with me because at the end of this video, I'm going to share the one thing you absolutely must know to be successful in today's market. First, let's take a look at what's happening right here in Citrus County, Florida. May brought an interesting shift. Inventory declined compared to the previous month, while pending contracts increased. In other words, we have fewer homes available and more buyers stepping off the sidelines and making offers. That's important because for the past several years, we've been talking about increasing inventory and longer market times. But today's market is beginning to show signs that motivated buyers are adjusting to current conditions rather than waiting for dramatic changes. Interest rates have remained relatively stable in the mid 6% range. While that's certainly higher than the ultra-low rates we saw a few years ago, many buyers are realizing that waiting for rates to fall substantially may not be the winning strategy they hoped for. In fact, one of the biggest opportunities in today's market is something many buyers don't even know exists: assumable mortgages. An assumable loan allows a qualified buyer to take over a seller's existing mortgage, potentially securing an interest rate significantly lower than what's available today. So why aren't more buyers taking advantage of assumable loans? There are three main reasons. First, awareness. Many buyers simply don't know they exist, and likewise, many sellers aren't aware they have one to offer. Second, equity requirements. In many cases, the buyer must cover the difference between the mortgage balance and the purchase price, which can require additional cash. There are options available for a secondary loan to cover the gap, albeit those options are quite limited. And third, complexity. Many agents, lenders, and consumers have limited experience with the assumption process, making it feel more difficult than a traditional loan. Our team here at RES Luxury Group has successfully navigated a handful of loan assumptions with buyers and sellers, and we are ready to guide you if that is the right solution. If you'd like to learn more about assumable loans, let me know in the comments and I'll create a dedicated video explaining how they work. Or you can always DM me to discuss privately. Another trend I'm watching closely is foreclosures. While we are not seeing a foreclosure wave, there are signs that foreclosure activity is gradually increasing from historical lows. Citrus County MLS currently has 9 lender-owned properties for sale. Text REO to 352-289-8246 if you'd like a link to view the foreclosures that are available. Over the coming months and years, I expect more foreclosure opportunities to slowly enter the market as homeowners who have been struggling with higher insurance costs, taxes, and inflation finally reach a decision point. That doesn't mean a market crash is coming. What it does mean is that buyers may see additional opportunities become available, while sellers will need to pay close attention to pricing and presentation if they want to stay competitive. Now, as promised, here's the one thing you must know to be successful in today's market: the pricing equation. You must price your home competitively if you will be successful in selling. I like the mantra, if your price isn't compelling, it's not selling. If you are buying, you can strategically watch for a home to reduce in price and increase your negotiating power when you understand the relationship of days on market and price reductions. National Association of Realtors reports 2 weeks on the market equals 4.9% price hit, and that increases every 2 weeks up to 13.8% after 4 months on the market. So a $400,000 home can see a reduction of $55,000 in price after 120 days. I'm sure you can see how this knowledge can benefit you as you are navigating a purchase or sale. Whether you're buying, selling, investing, or simply planning your next move, market knowledge beats market guessing every single time. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group at eXp Realty. If you'd like a personalized analysis of your home's value, current buying opportunities, or whether an assumable loan could work for you, send me a message and let's talk. Or you can give the team a call at 352-794-1426. We are RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee.